Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can fix USAA mobile app when it keeps on crashing. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply click on your app store. So once you're on the app store, you can simply tap on the search button on the screen. So on the search bar, you have to type USAA and click enter. So here you can see an update button. You need to tap it on to get your USAA mobile app updated, so that once it gets completely updated, your crashing problem will be completely solved. So the next way is to go to your settings and simply scroll down to the general option. So here you have to tap on the general option, which will then redirect you to this kind of interface where you can get the iPhone storage option as well. So now simply tap on the iPhone storage where you can see the USAA mobile app. Now you need to simply tap it on and tap on the offload app option. So once it is done, you need to reconfirm your offload app option by tapping it again, and your problem will be solved. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.